Hello and welcome to another video. Glad you're joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Today is Hot Wheels time. We got another premium set from Car Culture, which is the Ronin Run. And I have to admit, although I'm not too much into Japanese cars, I have to say this is a very special set. And it's one of the few sets that is not only special because of the cars. In my opinion, this is also special because of this really beautiful artwork that you can see on the cars. But we'll get to that in a second. First of all, I want to point out that we got one new casting, which is the Mazda RX-7 FC Pandem. And if you are a little familiar with Hot Wheels premium cars, you know what a black car means, and number 0 of 5, you can guess that I was lucky, but we'll keep the best for last. And I would say we start with number 1, which is this one here, the 95 Mazda RX-7 in blue. So take a look at this beautiful artwork. I really love this. You can see all the cars from different angles and all have a little bit different background. So this is like in a city parking lot in a business district or something, and it's just looking beautiful. And you can see that the logo is here on the more on the bottom, and if you take a look at the other sets, the logo is always in another place. So let's take the car out. I already cut the packaging open so that you don't have to listen to these annoying noises from the scissors. So now we got the blue Mazda RX-7. Looking really nice in my opinion. Gray 5 spokes. It's, there are some metal flakes in the livery. Not too glittery, but I think it's looking good. We got a blue painted base and some nice details on the back. We got a license plate that is saying Twinning. There's a little downside on this one here. I hope you can see it. The windshield is a little bit scratched, and there's some scratches here on the rear window. But it is how it is. What I wanted to show you is a black basic version, so we can do a little comparison, which is also looking very good. So let's put these side by side, and you can see that on a premium version the logo is much smaller, and we got different taillights. This one's also got Hot Wheels license plate. And the premium version also has some details here on the side, indicators, and all that good stuff. And last year we've seen a really cool version of the RX-7, which was this one here in Falcon livery. I think this version, I would have seen, or I would like to have this also as a premium version. I think this Falcon livery on this car is looking really good. We also have seen the same livery in silver, but as you can see, this one's got no taillights. That was a little comparison. So let's put the RX-7 in the parking lot as we go on with number 2, which is the Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo in red. This one's also got a really beautiful artwork. I have to say I really like all of them, and I carefully cut or pre-cut the packaging so that I can keep these cards. So let's take a look at this one. Coming with black 6 spokes, nice dark red. We got some details on the back, a 300 ZX license plate. And yeah, some of you might know it, I'm always telling it. If you're saying, well, these headlights, I don't know, I've seen them on another car, then you are right. And I guess all you car enthusiasts know it. One of the most famous supercars had also these headlights, which was the Lamborghini Diablo. I think after a facelift, to save some money, they put these headlights in. And so we got a Lamborghini with a Nissan headlights. It's always a nice story, in my opinion. Coming with a black base. The headlights are part of this window piece, so let's put this one also in the parking lot. And yeah, let's go on with the 81 Toyota Starlet KP61. So besides the new casting, this one here definitely is my favorite. Take a look at this really, really beautiful artwork. So as you can see, the Toyota is parked, more kind of in a rural area or something. Really nice. So let's take the car out. And this one's also special. This is the second time that we see this casting, and we've only seen it in premium so far. I can show you the first version that I think was part of a Japanese set, so in a very nice red color, also with four spokes, in chrome. Yeah, I like the look of this car, how wide it is, it's just fantastic. Japanese license plate, so let's put the red version aside and let's take a look at this one. Very, very nice livery, in my opinion. Purple metallic, and we also got this work lettering here on the sides. Also a Japanese license plate. 4-spoke wheels, details on the front and on the back. So this one's a real beauty. And well, I think this one here is the most sought after, besides the new casting of the Pandem Mazda. I mean, the chase version for sure, but I think this one here also will fly off the shelves, also here in Europe. Very, very nice. Let's put this one also in the parking lot. And we go on with another popular car, 98 Subaru Impreza 2022 STI version. Take a look at the artwork. This one, yeah, it's parking like on a street, in a city park or something. Really nice. Here we go. Got details on the back, black 10 spokes, and yeah, special part is the hood, as you can guess, which is carbon fiber, and we got another nice detail. If you take a close look, we got some black side mirrors, and once again we can do a little comparison. I got another premium version of this guy. I think this blue one here is from Modern Classics, and yeah, it's kind of interesting. Take a look. Yeah, the painting of the mirrors is different, and the blue one also got a license plate saying Subaru, and he's also got some logos down here on the front, some STI logos, and here you can see the difference on the back. Also got different wheels, and on this one we can see the indicators. I mean, on an orange car it doesn't make too much sense, but yeah, I think it's always interesting how different they can treat these cars. So very nice in my opinion. And we have another one to compare with, which is this version here, also from 2022. This is the mainline, and yeah, this was the regular treasure hunt. As you can see, no details on the back, but it's got also some treatment on the front, and yeah, some very nice rally livery here on the side. So let's also park this guy, and I would say we can put the rotator away, because you can guess I won't take this one here out of the packaging. So as you can see, I already told it I ordered a whole set, so there were 2 cars of every, or 2 models of every, or 2 versions of every car in that set. And yeah, I once again pulled a chase, and yeah, I'm really happy that I got this one, because I think this is, yeah, one of the most beautiful chases so far. Mazda RX-7 FC Pandem in black. I mean, take a look at this fantastic artwork. Let's do a little comparison with the regular version that I also won't take out of the packaging, because I don't have a second version. Normally I keep always one carded, and yeah, I mentioned it, I guess these cars will fly off the shelves, and I hope I can find a second one so I can unbox one of these. But yeah, just take a look at the card artwork on the card. It's just fantastic. This one here in black and white, it's just beautiful in my opinion, and yeah, I think it's hard to decide which one is better. I mean, yeah, the chase is a chase, but the white version is also really cool. Yeah, I heard there were some complaints about the wheels because they are very small. Yeah, well, I have to say, I like them. I mean, these 6-spokes with the chrome lip are small indeed, but I think they match the car very well, and I really like it. For all of you that are interested in, so this is kind of the, yeah, let's say a regular RX-7 version, and yeah, you can see how huge the wheels are in comparison. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with these small wheels. So what do you think? Do you like the wheels? Do you not? Write it in the comments down below. As we are pulling the cars from today a little closer. So, which one is your favorite? For me, it's kind of hard to decide. I really like this version of the Toyota Starlet. Very beautiful in my opinion. But for sure, this one here, the chase, is just fantastic. And I also love the cardwork. I think I mentioned it quite often in this video. So now that's it for today. If you did like the video, yeah, would say give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.